Hi, you might not know me, and if you're watching, I would like to say a few things. So, I have taken on a challenge to shift my negative mindset towards life to a more positive one. So, basically, I have always struggled with depression and anxiety, and it's been all my life, till now. So, I'm really hoping this challenge brings more positivity and helps me to look at life in a more positive outlook, I guess. The first thing your brain thinks. Yeah, I am wanting the first thing my brain thinks is positive, not negative. So basically, I have come up with an idea of my own. So here's how this thing works. I'm gonna read from my journal. The idea is basically to use aesthetic pictures. Like I have pictures with me that I bought from Misho actually. I'll show you just in a bit. So use these pictures as a medium to come up with reasons or slash motivations basically through which I will gradually shift my mindset to focus more on the positives rather than the negatives. Throughout this journey, this will be recorded and posted online, and so that this whole thing deeply ingrains in my being and in my head and in my brains. And basically the act of speaking and thinking and looking at the pictures myself and I'm gonna look at myself on the screen as well, and all of this is intentional and I am hoping it imprints me on my brain and becomes part of me gradually. I'm really hoping this idea works out. I think I fumbled a lot, but yeah, still that is the first time I have spoken so much in front of the camera, and it's nerve wracking. But yeah, anyways, I am looking forward to this challenge, and basically I have a lot of postcards with me, like basically the pictures, I currently have 40 of them with me, so I need to come up with 40 videos and 40 reasons or motivations as to why life can be looked at in a more positive way rather than only negative. So yeah, basically that's it. I'm gonna sign off. The next video I'm gonna post is gonna be one of the pictures, me looking at it, reading at it, and showing you the picture. And basically, yeah, that's what we're gonna do in the next picture. So yeah, bye.